I'm Casey with Christmas Designers, and we're going to go over a few shaping techniques for our 60 and 72-inch wreaths. Today, we're using our deluxe Oregon fir, but this will translate to any other styles and designs available. You want to take your pieces out of the box, and they've arrived mostly pre-shaped, but go ahead and save that box for storage. When you store it, you want to keep it under 105 degrees temperature, and that'll ensure longevity of the product for the future. Now that we're ready for assembly, we're going to start with our pieces upside down. And before we install this hardware that you received with the wreath, we're going to go ahead and check our lights and make sure they line up end to end, male to female. Take a moment to plug in each section individually. You're going to make sure your lights work before moving on to the next step. Now that all our lights are in proper working order, we can begin assembling the pieces with the hardware you received. Make sure all of your hardware is very secure before you move on to the next step. Now that you have your wreath fully assembled, you're going to go ahead and plug the lights back in. They're in perfect working order, which you know. We're going to start the shaping by spreading the tips out in a natural look. We've finished shaping our greenery, and you can see we've achieved a nice full look with the random pattern of our foliage. Now's the time you can start decorating. If you've chosen one of our ornament packages, a bow, or your own lights, you can add those now. Now that your wreath is completed, you're ready to hang it in its final destination. Once it's there, make any further adjustments needed, then just sit back and enjoy it for the rest of the holiday season. Again, I'm Casey with Christmas Designers, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to come.